Alright guys and gals, so welcome back to another video. This time we're going to do something a little bit different for this video because I ran into a little bit of a snag when I was trying to record it the regular way, so I had to get a little creative. So this is going to be my fit and sound demo for the Samsung Galaxy Buds, the first generation. Now, the whole reason why I'm recording this video a little bit differently than I usually would is because, and if you take a look up on the screen, you'll be able to see it. I have the clip up in post so you can see it. But if you look up on the screen, as I get the close-up of the Galaxy Buds, you'll see there's the charging pins and then there's a dark circle. And that dark circle is actually a sensor. And that sensor is there. It's a ambient sensor, so to speak. And what that sensor does, which is a black sensor right here, is when you put the earbuds in your ear, it detects that the earbuds are in your ear and you get a nice little audible tone, a little boom, letting you know that the earbuds are in. And then when you take the earbuds out of your ear, once it detects that the earbuds have been taken out of your ear, it will automatically pause the music. So, why is this a big issue? Well, you guys and gals know that typically when I do my fit and sound demo, I showcase not only how the earbuds look and feel in my ears, but I also take them out of my ears to give y'all a nice audio sample. This way you also get to see how the ambient noise is, okay? But because of this sensor, I can't give y'all that really good audio sample. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to go through it how we usually would, and I'm going to just give y'all my feedback on how I feel the earbuds sound. But along with that, I'll have the artists and music that I'm listening to as I critique the sound of the overall earbuds, okay? So you guys and gals will still get your close-up of the earbuds. Again, check out this video clip I have up in post. Give y'all a nice close-up of the earbuds. Give you a nice close-up of that sensor as well. But what I'm going to do now is I have 3 of my favorite songs that I've been listening to a lot lately queued up via YouTube Music. And I'm going to play them and I'm going to let y'all know how the earbuds is doing. Now, when I critique the earbuds, in particular, what am I looking for? Well, 1, I'm looking for really good instrument separation. 2, I'm looking for really good vocals, so really good vocal tones. And I don't really want too much distortion on the high end, so I don't want the voices to be too scratchy or too muddy. I want it to sound as natural and be as recreated as the actual music that I'm listening to. And then 3, I'm looking for some nice, deep, punchy bass that I can feel. So starting off, before we get into critiquing the earbuds, I'm just going to put them in my ears and show y'all how they look. So I have the left earbud in already, okay? And you can see how the left side looks. So we got a nice snug fit, okay? Really good stuff there. And as I showcased in my unboxing and first impressions, even if I move around, they're not going to pop out my ears. So that's really, really nice. And I would accredit that to these wings here that Samsung has put on the earbuds. So really nice call, Samsung, with the wings. And I could tell y'all, I've been using this bad boy for almost 2.5 weeks. And I've taken them to the gym. I've taken them on long walks, long exercises. I've done my body workout routine. And I've done my gym routine at full speed. And they haven't popped out of my ears. So really good design, Samsung. And really nice and comfortable fit. Okay? So you see how the left side looks? Let's go ahead now and pop in the right side. Alright, the right side is in. Nice snug fit. And I got that little audible cue because it detected that it's in my ears. So this is how the right side looks. Okay. So good stuff. Good stuff indeed. I gotta say, I really, really like these earbuds. Now, there is one downside I see already, and that's that they're white. So it's really hard to keep them clean. And I gotta clean them every day. But other than that, the overall fit and feel of these is top notch. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play 3 of my favorite tracks, and I'm going to let y'all know how I feel the earbuds is doing in those 3 different categories. So once again, we're looking for some really good vocals with really nice instrument separation, and then really deep punchy bass. So I got 3 tracks on deck that I'm going to let y'all know how these perform. So starting off, and I'll have the artist and the track up on the screen so y'all know. So let's see here. Let's start off with something. Let's do the vocals first. So we got some Keke Wyatt here. Let's play that. Alright. Alright. And we got the volume set to about 35%. Alright, so let's go. Alright, very nice. Okay, let me pause. Alright, so for the first track, this first track emphasizes mostly vocals. And I gotta say, the vocal and instrument separation is really good. The vocals really stand out, and it sounds very natural. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. And this track sounds great. Again, I'll link it down below in the video description so y'all can check it out. Let me know what y'all think. Now, let's move on to the next track. And with these last 2 tracks, I'm going to be looking for that deep, punchy bass. Alright? Now, keep in mind, I'm listening to this at about 35% volume. That's a nice, comfortable volume for me. And these earbuds sound great. And because of how snug they fit in my ears, I'm getting some really nice isolation. So it's really, really good, and I'm getting that full range of sound. So good stuff there. So let's move on to the next track here. And yeah, this one is Future, Life So Good. So let's play that. Bass on this hit good. You gotta wait for that beat to drop. Oh! Ooh, okay, hold up. Okay, we don't want to make this video too long. Okay, so the bass on this sounds good, man. Whoo! Yes. And again, it doesn't really smash everything together. It's that nice deep bass, and it still maintains that nice instrument separation. So really good there. Oh, that track is fire too. I'll link that one down below in the video description as well. Y'all check that one out. Alright, so the last track, okay, let's get this going here. This is Demons and Angels. Alright, so let's go ahead and play this. And this one is bass heavy as well. So let's go ahead and let that beat drop. Whoo! Uh-oh. Oh. Yes, sir. Alright. Let me stop that. Alright, woo! That track is fire right there. And again, the bass on this sounds really, really good. Really good indeed. Alright, y'all. So this pretty much concludes my fit and sound demo of the Samsung Galaxy Buds, the first generation. And also, I'm a little curious. Let me know what y'all think of this new style for the fit and sound demo. If y'all like this style, this is something that we may continue. And this also gives me the ability to showcase some of my taste in music for you guys as well. So let me know what y'all think. If y'all think this is a good style, we'll go ahead and keep this style going. If you want me to go back to the old school style, we'll go ahead and switch back to the old school style. Please leave your feedback down below. And as always, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, y'all know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. As always, this whole video was recorded using the front and the rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second, and all the audio for this video was recorded using one of my all-time favorite microphones, the Movo MA2010 omnidirectional microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality as well. And if you have some Samsung Galaxy Buds, whether it be the first or the second generation, let me know what you think about your buds down below in the comments. Let's get into a nice, respectful conversation down there. I'll meet you guys and gals down there. I hope y'all have a great evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. We are out of here.